Make a great choice today with the 2026 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.